The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. This is what Warren Buffett said, one of the most successful investors in the stock market. And I am a long-term investor, so I try to be as patient as possible, put my money in a stock that I trust and I believe in, and hold for a long term. Now, today's video will be for entertainment purposes only, so I am not a financial advisor, nor I am a licensed professional. So if you're planning on investing, please take your time and do your own research and invest at your own risk. And with that being said, if you're new to this channel, please support my channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you can watch more of my videos in the future. So today's video, we will be focusing on Cathie Wood's ARK Invest launching a space exploration ETF, which will begin trading on Tuesday, March 30th. The first thing that I want you guys to know is what's going on in the ARK Invest ETFs. They have a total of 8 ETFs. So what's going on in the past 1 month and what's going on in the past 1 year? So if we take a look at some of ARK ETFs, the first one on my list is going to be ARKK. In the past 1 year, we see some great growth in the ETF, going up from $42 all the way to $150. And this is in the past year. But if we take a look right here, in the past 1 month, it has been bleeding. It's been bleeding just like how the general market has been bleeding in the past 1 month or even more. So this is something that you guys want to be careful and I want you guys to be aware of. Do not rush in and invest on this new ETF. I want you guys to look at the flow, look what the stock is moving and buy the dip. Because once you buy the dip, you are maximizing your profit. And the same thing goes for ARKG, ARKF, ARKW, and ARKQ. They all move in the same direction, most likely. And so if we see all of them in the past 1 month, they have been bleeding. Me personally, I have been increasing my ETF position because I believe this is a great opportunity to increase my position, and I'm buying the dip at a low price so I can maximize my profit in the next year or 2 or even 3 years. So the new ARK Invest ETF will be called ARKX, also known as ARK Space Exploration and Innovation ETF. And this ARKX will be focusing on exposure to space exploration, including orbital and suborbital aerospace, enabling technologies and beneficiaries of aerospace activities such as agriculture, internet access, global positioning system like GPS, construction, and imaging. And this ARK Space Exploration and Innovation ETF will be focusing on investment objective in a long-term growth of capital. So this is going to be a long-term play. This is my favorite play. And if we scroll down right here, we can see the fund documents, and something that I want to show you guys is going to be the fund holdings PDF file. So if we open this, and we will see the holding by ARK Space Exploration and Innovation. So this new ETF, as of right now, they have a total of 39 stocks in the list, and this is all going to be focusing on aerospace innovation. But I did notice there's right now Amazon in this ETF. There is Alibaba, there is Netflix as well. I'm not sure how these contribute to the aerospace innovation, but I am sure that ARK and Cathie Wood know what they are doing. Another thing that I've noticed is Atlas Crest Investment, which is a SPAC that I have talked about in my previous videos. So if you haven't checked them out, be sure to check out my previous videos. Atlas Crest Investment, they are going to merge with Archer. And Archer is a company focusing on air taxis that are going to be electric, and they have full support from United Airlines. So I wanted to show you guys this list, and I definitely want you guys to look at each stock right here in this list and consider investing in it if you would like. And I definitely see a lot of potential in some of these stocks on this list, especially Atlas Crest Investment Corporation. And so if we go back to the article right here by CNBC, we can see the top 10 holdings by weight, and by weight meaning by percentage. And if we take a look right here, we can see that Wood has made a name for herself by investing in the disruptive innovation stocks. So in the past 1 year, ARK Innovation has seen more than 16 billion inflows in the past year alone. And this is according to FactSet. This is a huge number. And Wood, in the past years, she had made a big bet on names like Tesla, Teladoc, and Roku. And if we all check out these stocks, in the past year or two, they have made some insane growth. And this is why I believe in Wood, because she knows what she's talking about. But definitely do your own research before you invest. I do not want you guys to invest with your eyes blindfolded. So this is today's video. There's not much information about the ARKX ETF, but there is going to be a lot more information starting from tomorrow. And definitely want you guys to pay attention. Do not invest in a rush. Take your time, do your own research, and invest at your own risk. And if you do like this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you can watch more of my videos in the future.